tried to go, you may not be able to. You can't get out.
OMG.
You can't get out. You can't get out the door.
Oh, Jesus. They're going to bring the ladder truck over. Oh, my God.
Damn, I was going to get an apartment over there, too.
Not now.
Cheaper now.
Yeah, pull that one. Pull this one up right here. Yeah, that one.
You can feel it.
This guy is on the freaking ledge. Look at this. Oh my God.
Where?
Do they see him? Oh my Jesus. Oh my God. Yeah. He was inside there. Do they freaking see him? Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh my God.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh.
The glass melted.
They need to get him. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God. Hell, he can jump from there. I mean, good grief.
I've been jumping.
They need to move that truck up. Oh, my God. I think that we probably should be going.